Legal.
Oh my god, I'm falling over. Hey guys, oh snap. Where's my mustache shaver? Oh, there. So I'm saving my mustache because I do not want to have a mustache. Shaving my unibrow because I don't want a unibrow. Today is my graduation parade. I'm gonna be a freshman next year, which means I didn't get a 8th grade graduation because of coronavirus. But I still wanted an 8th grade graduation and I didn't get one, so I'm sad. So they're doing like this parade today. It's so early, it's like 9 a.m. Okay, I got dressed and I'm gonna make my bed now. I don't know how YouTubers sound, so I'm gonna make my bed now in the morning because my voice sounds like this. So it's 8:35, I have 25 minutes. I'm gonna pack my backpack. Okay, now I'm all ready. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast because I'm hungry. Are you excited? Is it crazy that I'm going to high school?
I know, it's so crazy. I don't know.
Because Mom, it felt like just yesterday I was in 6th grade.
I know, and now you're gonna be in high school. Oh my god. You're gonna be in high school. I can't believe it.
Mom, you didn't shave. I'm getting this on camera.
That's my hair. I don't have hair on my armpit.
You ain't even really gotta be my boyfriend. I just wanna know, yeah.
You can stand up on it. That's what people do.
Ooh, look, I can do this. They're gonna think they're gonna be like, who's in that? They're gonna know it's me because they know I film and do YouTube. Oh, the people in my science class, they during when we have computers, they like to go on the computer and watch my YouTube video.
Yeah, they're not good.
I'm like,
I do have a balloon. How come we don't have a balloon?
because we suck. Look at all these cars. They're all here for the parade.
Yeah, and they're all got balloons.
Going on the roof.
Look, take off your shoes.
What? I want to take off my shoes. Look at that.
No,
Honk the horn, Mom!
you missed it.
Oh, is that?
You have to slow it down. You know that it's perfect. You're doing this on not even a mile.
I'm a teacher.
I'm alive, thank God for everything. I won't cry no more about the things that I cannot change. I won't be the same, put it on my name, it's different. I'm different. I'm alive, thank God for everything. I won't cry no more about the things that
crazy how fast it went because I remember going to 6th grade. It was just so crazy. I was so excited for middle school. I was like, oh my god. And then 7th grade was like, bleh. And then 8th grade was like, yeah. I loved middle school for the most part. Some days I really wanted to die, but I know that's not going to be as hard as high school because I know high school is going to be so much worse. So also, I love Audrey Mika. You didn't tell because of my Just Friends cover link in the description. I got a bucket hat from her. I don't think I look good in bucket hats, so maybe this was a waste. Also, I have black hair. So, can you even see my entire body? Hey guys, it's Becky. Sorry for not vlogging. I told myself I was done, but I guess I'm not. My dad got me this plant. I'm not really a plant mom, but maybe I'll become one. I don't know. And then he got me this card. So let's open it. So cool. It says, what does it say? It's there are what? There are high points along life's journey that call for a celebration. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Screw the picture with with my school sign. I have to go hug my dad.